Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo word for today is the word Chabie. Okwu Igbo nke taa bụ okwu bụ Chabie. Chabie n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara cut. Cut. Now listen, cut in Igbo language means a lot of things depending on the context or depending on the native dialect. So this one is part of those many ways you can say cut in Igbo. So we are looking at Chabie. Chabie ụdọ ahụ, which means cut that rope. Chabie ụdọ ahụ, cut that rope. I know you've learned something new today. Please ensure to practice, and practice. That is the best way you will learn on this journey. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow for our next word. Demesia.